hear thunder?
Yeah, do you want Daddy out there too? Do you hear the thunder? Is it raining?
Are you staying dry under here?
Griffin, you go stomp, stomp, stomp in the water. Stomp! Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Yeah. Stay under the umbrella, you'll stay dry.
Griffin, you say hi?
Uh-oh, you better come under. Come under. Okay, there. Are you safe?
Hi.
Oh, safe and dry.
Can you go splash in the puddle?
Splash, splash, splash.
Splash. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Go stomp, stomp, stomp. You can do it.
Rain boots. Stomp with your boots. It's barely even raining now. Good job.
Run, 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 run.
You want to come under the umbrella? There you go, you're safe.
Griffin, you say bye.
You're under.
Say bye. Bye. Love you. Love you, bye.